guys, in this video we're going to be working through an exam style question.
To start with, we're told that copper and potassium are both metals, and then that potassium is a group 1 metal, and we're asked what name is given to copper, and for this question we're given 4 different options. In order to answer this question, you need to identify copper in the periodic table, which you'll always have with you in the exam. You then also need to remember some of the names given to the columns or groups in the periodic table. For example, the alkali metals is another name for the group 1 metals. And we were told in the question that potassium was a group 1 metal and therefore is an example of an alkali metal. In these options you can also see halogen, which is another name for the group 7 nonmetals. This immediately tells us that copper is not going to be a halogen, as we've been told it's a metal, whereas the halogens are nonmetals. If you find copper in the periodic table, you'll see that it's not in group 1, not in group 3, or not in group 7. It's instead in the central region of the periodic table, which is known as the transition metals. So this is the answer to this question. The name given to copper is transition metal, and this is just a simple tick box question for 1 mark. We're now asked to compare copper and potassium, specifically to give 2 reasons why copper is a better material to make water pipes from than potassium. To answer this question, you need to remember some comparisons we can make between the group 1 metals and the transition metals. An important fact in this case is that the group 1 metals react violently with water, so therefore potassium also does as an example of a group 1 metal.
Hi guys! To continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific GCSE chemistry and combined science videos, just click on the Snap Revise smiley face. Join me today and together let's make chemistry at GCSE a walk in the park.